What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I have my electrical panel wired. Now, I'm not an electrician. This is just how I have mine done, so I thought I'd show you guys and kind of for my own reference later. But here is my 12-2 wire. Here's my 10-2 wire. I can't remember if this is 6.3 or 8.3, but it's for 50 amp. So I've got a 50 amp breaker here, 20 amp breaker, single poles here. So this two wires are going to be running off of one breaker. So this is two hots. We've got our neutrals over here on a white, and then we've got our ground bar over here, and those are our bare exposed wires. So these blacks are hot, these blacks are hot, this red and black is hot, red and black hot, red and black hot. So this top 30 amp breaker is going to be running up here. You see the gray wire all the way over to that box, and that's going to be a drop cord for a lift over here. So I've got that and right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my I don't have my panel here, it's over. I've got everything out because they're going to be doing spray foam, but I'm going to take the section that matches with this, and I'm going to write ceiling 30 amp plug or lift plug. Now this one is going to be for a welder. So this one comes down the bottom of the box, down over here. You see right there, up to here. That's going to be a 30 amp plug. Now this 50 amp one comes down out here into this. That's going to be a 50 amp plug. So I'll have a 50 amp plug, 30 amp plug, and then a bunch of 20 outlets or 20 amp outlets. So I'll have everything I need, all different sorts. For welder, for maybe an RV plug, car lift, you name it, guys. So anyway, I hope that makes sense. The main goal here is to make it look as clean as possible and organized. So that way, if you have to get back in here, if anybody has to get in here to do service, it's not a mess. So make sure that you're pushing these all the way to the outside. Make sure that you're running like wires with like wires if you can. So as you can see here, I've got all this coming right down, tucked perfectly. It breaks off. There's a white here, and then my two powers here. I actually even have this one a little longer just so that it, oh man, that just looks so good, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. I hope that makes sense. We'll catch you on the next one.